In this video, we're going to show you how you can log into TikTok on another phone. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Begin by opening up the other phone. Whether it's an iPhone or an Android, it works the same. You're going to want to go ahead and find that phone's app store and go ahead and search up TikTok. And from here, go ahead and download it. It should look something like this. You just need to go ahead and do that and then hit open once you're done. From here, you're going to see an option that says already have an account. Simply go ahead and click on that and then choose login. From here, just simply select your preferred login method. For example, it could be something like your phone number, your email, or your password. Go ahead and enter in whatever you have. And after you do that, simply go ahead and tap continue and then enter in that account's password. Once confirmed, you'll be signed into that TikTok account on a new phone. It really is as simple as this though. You're just signing in on a new phone. If you have any questions on this entire process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below. But once you're signed in, you can watch TikTok as much as you want on that new device. On top of that, you should stay signed in on your old device unless you manually log yourself out, which we have another tutorial going over. But yeah, once again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more TikTok tutorials just like this. Have a great day.